is Perez, doing STAAR Prep here, and it helps me because it actually like gives me the test, other tests that we've done in the past, and it like prepares me for the test that we're doing today.
I think he likes the practice, and he's getting good grades, so we're happy about that. He's doing really well. He was here for the STAAR Prep for writing last year, and he did really well in the STAAR test. You know what I enjoy is that I bring him over here and he actually likes it. He's looking forward to coming here, but more than anything, it's just the confidence that he feels whenever it's time to test, and he does well. It's a good time of investment of your time and your effort.